Almost no one knows about this PAMM account, but it's getting super solid results for its members. We got to talk about this. What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, we're talking about alpha copy trading. Yes, they have an incredible PAMM account on the LQDFX broker, and I'm so excited about it. And I'm going to tell you why I'm excited. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. Now, guys, I got to make sure that you all know about my YouTube Growth Acceleration 5-day challenge. That challenge is coming up on January 22nd, and I need you to be in there if you want to build your own YouTube empire. If you want to learn how you can make money from YouTube and because of YouTube, then you need to be in there. Now, I got a free option for you to join right now, just until we get up to 100 people, and we already got 68 people enrolled. So if I were you, I would hurry up and get to the description of this video, click on that link, and get enrolled for my 5-day YouTube challenge. Once you get in there, I will see you on the other side. All right, guys, let's get into the information today. Now, I know a lot of you all probably been looking for a way to multiply your money or create passive income without having to go in and do the trading yourself. Well, I want to let you know that a PAMM account is a great way to do this. Now, PAMM accounts are not all created equal. There's a lot of things that you have to look out for when you're selecting a PAMM account. Now, some of you all are brand new to my channel, so you may not know what a PAMM account is, so I'm going to go over that information. If you're not new here and you're already familiar with PAMM accounts, then you can skip forward to the next section. But let me go over a PAMM account. A PAMM account is a percentage allocation management module. Yeah, I know that sounds like a complicated term, but it's not. It's just basically a place where you as an investor can place your funds so that you can have a trader actually go in and trade on your behalf, and you get to partake in the profits. Sounds incredible, right? You get to leverage the experience and the expertise of seasoned traders. Now, there are some things that you want to look out for when you're going to select the PAMM account that you want to use. Does it have a history of performance, right? That's one of the things you want to look at. The next thing you want to look at is, what does that performance look like? Is it something that has had very low performance? Does it have high drawdown? Is it consistent? All of those types of things, right? The next thing is the broker that PAMM account is hosted on. Is it a reputable broker? Is it a broker that's going to be around for a while? Has it been around for a while? All of those types of things are things that you want to look at. Now, you also want to look at the trader. Is the trader consistent? Is it just one trader, or is there a team of traders? There's so many things that you have to look at when you're going to select the PAMM account. Well, I'm glad that you guys have found my channel, because I like to look for opportunities that are going to help people actually earn and multiply their money in the cryptocurrency Forex space, just any way that we can really multiply our money, right? Now, let's talk about the PAMM account that we have available today, because I've already done a lot of due diligence on this, and I really like what I see. Now, with that being said, I do have to let you guys know that I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice. Nothing in this video should be considered financial advice. I'm just going over some information that I found. I'm going to provide that information to you and let you make the decision that you want that's best for you. All right. So let's go into it. So after doing my due diligence, I found a PAMM account that's been around since April of last year. It has consistent performance, and I'm going to show you that right now. What I like about this PAMM account is that it's accessible to the masses, because it only requires $100 for you to get involved. Now, the other thing that I like about this PAMM account is that it's not ran by just one trader. There's actually a team of traders that monitor the markets 24/7 before they make decisions on the trades, right? They actually do that, and that's what's been incredible about this PAMM account. At least that's my opinion. I believe that's why it's been around so long, and it has had incredible performance, right? Now, the other thing that I like about this is that it's on the LQDFX broker, right? Because that broker has been reliable for me. I knew about this broker. I've been on this broker for a little over a year, and I've never had a problem with it. I've actually referred about 150 people over to this broker, and they don't have problems with the broker either. At least no one has reported anything to me. So that's pretty exciting to me. Okay, that's why I like the fact that this PAM account is listed on this broker. Now, let's go ahead, let's go into it and look at some of the results from this PAM account so you can see for yourself. So what I did was I pulled up the MyFX book. Yes, we have access to the MyFX book to look at the numbers. Now, you can see that this PAM, since its inception, has gained 154.18%, right? That's the gain on this PAM account, which I think is very, very impressive, right? Now, the other thing that I like about this PAM account is that the monthly return is about 10.67%. Now, I want you guys to think about that. In the world that we live in today, it's hard to find any type of returns like that. And if you're getting on average around 10% returns every month, you can actually get a nice little nest egg built up, or you can use some of that for passive income. I'm going to give you an example of that a little bit later on in the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Now, the other thing that I like about this PAM account is that the results have been pretty consistent here. So let's go down to the bottom and we're going to look at 2023. As I told you guys, this PAM account got started back in April. So in April, it did 5.55%, but it wasn't a full month. The next month, it did 11.52%. Now, I'm not going to go over every single one of these stats, but you can see majority of the months here that is over 10%. So a PAM account that averages around 10% is going to be absolutely incredible for somebody who's trying to build their portfolio, who's trying to build some passive income. Okay, so I like this. I like the history of performance. 2024 has gotten off to a good start, and we're already at 2.14%. That's incredible, guys. I like the way that this is going. So this is something that I believe that we can use as a tool to actually grow our money and create more passive income in our lives. It gives us the perfect storm. The three things that really matter when you're selecting a PAM account is going to be the broker in which it's on, and the trader in which is going to be doing the trading, and you, the investor. Is it right for you, right? Are we working with the right broker? Do we have the right trader? And is this right for you? If all three of those are in line, if there's a synergistic approach to this, and you're saying, hey, all of this works together, then this could be a great opportunity for you. But that's going to be for you to decide. Now, you're probably saying, Anthony, if we're interested in this, how do we get started? Don't worry. You know I got you. I'm going to put all the information that you need in the description of this video. There's a PDF that's going to walk you through the entire process, even from registering for the broker, doing your KYC process, all of that type of stuff is going to be on the PDF document. And all you have to do is go ahead and follow step by step. You follow that step by step, and you're going to get set up properly, and we'll show you how you can actually get into the PAM account. Now, don't worry, for all my crypto people out there, you can fund this with crypto. But for the people that are non-crypto, you can actually fund this with a credit card as well. They have a process for doing that also. So you choose the way that you want to actually fund this PAM account. But once you fund this PAM account and you get everything started, you can sit back and relax, watch the trading happen. Now, I have to let you know that this is real trading. This is not one of those fake PAM accounts where you see there's fake trades and all of this type of stuff. So you're going to look at this and you're going to see that there are times that there may be some losing trades. And the great thing about this is in the LQDFX broker back office, you're going to be able to see those trades that have happened on your account. So if there were negative trades, you'll be able to see those, right? So I want to let you guys know that you can withdraw also in crypto if you want to, or you can use the other methods that they have in there. I usually use crypto because it's the way that's best for me. So you have a viable option here to multiply and grow your money or create some passive income for you. Let me know. Are you going to take advantage of this? It's only $100 to start. Try it. Check it out. Then you can add more later as you're more comfortable. Now, I told you guys that I was going to tell you about an example here that's going to make things more clear for you. So today I was looking at a YouTube video and I saw a gentleman that had about 650,000 in investments across. It was a big portfolio, but about 650,000 in investments. Now, on average, they were bringing him about 5% per month. He calculated, and I'm just going by his calculations, that he's making about $1,000 a day or about $30,000 a month, which is incredible. But that's off of 650,000. I don't know. Maybe you have $650,000 just laying around right now, right? Now let's cater this conversation to the person who does. Say you have 650,000 of risk capital that you can actually put in. What if you could take half of that, let's say 300,000, and if you put it into something like this PAM account, and you take that 300,000, put it over here, and you're earning about 10% per month, that means that you're earning about 30% per month. I mean, you're earning about $30,000 per month, right? So $30,000 per month off of 300,000, that's half of what that gentleman had to do across his portfolio. Now, if you had the whole 650,000, you could put 300,000 into this and earn about the 30,000 a month that he's earning, and then you could take the other 350 and use that as safety money or a emergency fund, or you could take it and put it into something else that can be producing funds for you also. I'm just giving you a scenario that you could use this for passive income and you could really go to the next level, right? So I just wanted to share this with you guys. Hopefully this has been very helpful. Hopefully you found this very insightful, and maybe you're going to take a chance on this. You're going to go ahead and get started. And if you're going to do that, remember the instructions are in the description in this video. So hopefully, guys, that you're excited right now. You're going to get started. If you are, please send me an email so that I can respond to you. I will let you know that I'm excited to be on this journey with you, and we can share some of the results that we're getting. All right. As always, guys, you know what we're doing. We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest what we're willing to lose, but you know we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out. Peace.